In the past, couples would get married and sign an antenuptial contract. The husband would be the sole breadwinner and the wife would stay at home, raise the kids and contribute to the building of the household. And by virtue of them being married through an antenuptial contract, upon a divorce, the wife would be left with nothing because she has no financial assets to her name. This challenge has been resolved by a Pretoria High Court, which recently stated that if a spouse who was involved in the building of a home, upbringing of the children, in other words, she left her career or a chance of a future career to contribute towards building a home, the court said that upholding an antenuptial contract in that scenario would actually be tantamount to an abuse of the process. In other words, that spouse who was contributing to the household would be left with nothing. And what the court ordered in that situation is that for the spouse to be entitled to a portion of the assets by virtue of her contribution to the marriage. Essentially what this does is it prevents couples from staying in the marriage just for the financial security of the marriage provides. In other words, the courts are now beginning to recognize that contribution to an estate involves more than just financial contribution, and it can also be the rearing of children, the building of a household, etc. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.